Hi, I am Blessed Isaac Olopot and you're watching Father's Lens. First of all, I would like to extend my appreciation to those of you who have been following us on our social media platforms. Thank you so much, and it's because of you we have hit 1,000 followers. Yes, it's a small number, but we are just getting started. Thank you for supporting us. Keep those comments coming in, and we look forward to serving you even better. Before we dive into today's episode, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platform for updates. Well, let us dive into the learning, exploring, and discovering on the beautiful facts of birds and the sweet sound of nature. Last week, we talked about different birds with amazing facts and features on our social media platforms. Some of them left you astonished. Well, let's have a review on them one by one. The black heron. It is known for its unique hunting technique known as the canopy feeding. By using their wings like an umbrella for shade, they attract fish and hunt on them. Next was the grey-crowned crested crane, known as Uganda's national bird. These birds bond for life, and they share a responsibility as parents to raise their young ones. The king vulture, known as the largest New World bird of vultures. They stand about 2.5 feet tall, and this made it to our Weird Wednesday spot. This bird is also known to lack eyelashes, unlike the other vultures. Next was the pin-tailed WHYDAY, well known for its amazing long spectacular tail of about 20 centimeters, and this is most common among the breeding males. The fork-tailed DROGON, which derives its name from its fork-shaped tail, made it on our Sunday bite of the weekend. And jumping into this week's birds, we looked at the sexually dimorphic African emerald cuckoo that is described by its green upperparts and yellow underparts, making it very attractive for the males. We also looked at the rose TURACO, gifted with round and short wings that give it a powerful flight in the air. Last but not least, the VULTURINE guinea fowl, also known as the royal guinea fowl because of its striking appearance, and also named to their bald head and neck that resembles the vulture, and it represented our Weird Wednesday spot of the week. And finally, for Thursday, we had the Abyssinian roller, which is known to be fearless and can dive to roll on humans and other intruders. With that brief, let's dive into the beautiful sounds of these birds and be sure to enjoy.